there's a lot of talk about clean fasting versus dirty fasting. And we came on, I asked you about supplements. Do you take supplements during fasting? Do you drink coffee? Are you allowed to have fat in your coffee? What do you promote as far as what you're allowed to have during that fasting window?
Yeah, no, it's such a great question. And it's honestly because I started my fasting podcast in 2017, I think. And especially in the beginning, that was one of the questions we were asking, just like rinse and repeat. Like people wanted to know, does this break my fast? Does this break my fast? Like, what's a clean fast? And as far as what I promote, so I will say, I'll be really clear that I want people to find what works for them. So I'm never going to say like you have to do this one thing and like there's only one way to do anything when it comes to diet or health or fitness or like life in general. So I'm not promoting any like one thing for people. That said, I do think that when it comes to fasting, keeping the fast clean, like this clean fast concept, I think is the best way to get the ultimate metabolic benefits. And that is basically not taking in anything exogenously, like a supplement or a drink or whatever it may be, that will make your body think it's not in a fasted state, that will release that insulin. So that's why on like the drink side of things, we like to stick to water, unsweetened tea, unsweetened coffee, which I can go on a whole tangent about coffee. I think it's an amazing way to actually catalyze your fast because it does a lot of similar processes in the body, activates a lot of pathways similar to fasting, and it also supports fat burning. So, and same with tea with supporting fat burning. So on the drink side of things, keeping it clean, so not adding anything. I know people will add like fat and butter to their coffee. I mean, if it works for you, do it. I just think that I would consider that taking you out of the fasted state because you're taking in calories, you're putting your body into a fed state. And also, if your goal is to burn fat, then putting fat into your coffee, you're going to burn the fat that you put into your coffee probably before your body fat.